If you've just been in a car accident on I-85 or near Woodruff Road, your mind is probably racing. You're trying to process what happened, deal with the pain, and suddenly the bills start coming in while insurance adjusters are already calling. And usually the biggest question underneath all of that is a simple one. Do I even have a case? If that's where you are right now, take a breath. Figuring out whether you have a legal claim in Greenville County isn't as complicated as it can feel in the moment. I like to explain a personal injury case like a three-legged stool. If one leg is missing, the stool doesn't stand. The first leg is fault. That's just a legal way of saying someone else did something they shouldn't have, like running a red light, speeding, or texting while driving. In South Carolina, we use comparative negligence. That means even if you are partially at fault, you may still have a case as long as you weren't mostly responsible for the crash. The second leg is damages, and this is where many people get confused. It's not just about the damage to your car, it's about how your life has been affected. Medical bills, time missed from work, and pain you didn't ask for, like that lingering back or neck pain that makes everyday tasks harder or keeps you from picking up your kids. If you weren't injured and didn't lose anything financially, there usually isn't a case to pursue. The third leg is recovery. In other words, is there actually a way to get compensated? Most of the time that comes down to insurance, whether that's the other driver's policy, a rideshare policy, or another source of coverage. A lot of people hesitate at this point. They worry they can't afford a lawyer or that their case isn't big enough. But the purpose of the law isn't to make things harder. It's to make you whole again. You don't need to understand every legal rule to know when something feels wrong or unfair. What you need right now is clarity. If you're wondering whether your medical records matter, how a police report affects your case, or whether the insurance company is being honest with you, don't try to guess, especially while you're still trying to recover. Every accident is different, and Greenville County has its own rules and nuances. Getting a professional opinion can give you peace of mind and help you understand your options. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by insurance calls and rising costs, reaching out for guidance can be the first step toward getting your footing again.